Hello everybody, this is John from Flippin Ain't Easy. Wanted to make a quick video today just to kind of talk about stuff related to eBay, things that are going on. So without any further ado, let's go. So I wanted to make a video so I just stay consistent and give you guys a heads up as to some of the things I'm dealing with right now. Been very busy. Haven't really had a lot of time to get stuff listed because I'm doing account maintenance right now. And with account maintenance, it's important that, you know, like I mentioned, that you clear out that Seller Hub summary. For me, I had about 180 items that had recommended item specifics that I thought was really important to go in and edit those things, and every single field, if I don't have the information, I input it in NA or does not apply, and I was able to clear out all 180 some odd listings. So in addition to messing with all those item specifics, I had to go into about 75% of my items that I initially had listed on InkFrog, and after canceling InkFrog, they go in and totally delete the template, and it's just a blob of text. So that's what my customers were seeing. They're seeing a blob of text, and so I had to go in, and it just doesn't let you go in and alter it. It won't even let you, for whatever reason, the way they have it set up, when you cancel an account with InkFrog, you have to do some crazy manipulation with your text to format it to the way you want it to look. So that took a little extra time as well. So we're dealing with that, just double checking the prices while we're in those listings. And it took a good day, maybe a day and a half to get that done. And then I've been dealing with the bomb that went off in my garage, just sorting through a lot of the stuff, getting things resorted and back into the boxes based on categories. So we have clothing that we need to go through, but we have that sorted into separate boxes. And remember, a lot of this stuff was just mixed together. There was no rhyme or reason at all how this stuff was packed in these boxes. By putting the items together based on category, like health and beauty, clothing, electronics, we have a box of like pet items, kitchenware, that type of thing. It's going to be a lot easier when we go into these boxes and pull them out and start listing the items. Hopefully I have that finished tomorrow sometime in the evening, to where my garage is halfway normal again, and I can just have some semblance of normalcy. And it's really a cluttered work environment right now out there, and I just can't work that way. So I know I'm losing time. I already lost time because, you know, over the weekend, Sunday through Tuesday, I was with some friends out in Mesquite, Nevada on a little golf trip, and kudos to my awesome wife for stepping up and taking care of things while I was gone. She's going to be going with her family next week to Zion, which is out towards Utah, a little bit past Mesquite, and they're going to be doing a little thing for a few days, 4 or 5 days, and so I'll be here to hold down the fort while they go and have a good time. So and I think it's important that, you know, we find time to get away from the business for a few days. This is probably not the best time of year to do that. I realize that, but when an opportunity presents itself, you know, I work a little extra harder, you know, days leading up, days afterwards, to make that possible and put in the extra hours. And you know what, as business owners, we deserve it. We work hard. And you got to give yourself that extra time to get out there and just do what you enjoy doing and get back, you know, to business once you're done. So sales for me have been steady. I'll just say that. You know, I think a couple Thursdays ago I had $1,000 day, and then ever since then it's been fairly steady. You know, about $350 per day on average, which is fine. You know, I'm looking to get up towards 500, but I just don't think I have the items in my store, the volume and the quality of items to really do much more than I'm currently doing. So maybe if I increase the quantity, I'll increase the ratio of sales. And being that we're dealing with about 3 or 4 days where we really haven't listed too much, we're sort of behind the 8 ball. But we're gonna just keep pushing, and the sales will take care of themselves. I'm confident in that. And if I need more merchandise, if I need to get higher end items, I have avenues to do that. But I really want to spend this time getting as much stuff as I have in those boxes listed on the site. So that's an update for me and how things are going. Wanted to kind of touch on one thing, and with all that's going on in this country and this world, and please do me a favor, this is not a political channel by any means. Please do not bother putting any political information at all in the comments. We just want to stick to eBay, and not everyone believes the same thing, and we just have to respect that. But we're not here for that. We're here to help each other get better on this platform. And so with all the distractions though that are going on in this world right now, it is very easy to lose focus on your job, which is your business. And I'm guilty of being distracted, having videos playing while I'm working. It's still easy to get distracted. I mean, you can put on your favorite YouTubers, including, hopefully I'm on that list, but you might be listening to eBay YouTubers or anything else that piques your interest, and it's a distraction. You're listening, you're focusing on what they're saying sometimes. So as a reseller, you want to limit those distractions to things where you're not so focused on details. So when you're listing and you're dealing with customers and you're going through and doing store maintenance, it's probably not the best time to be running videos about any topic while you're trying to work, because that can lead and open you up to mistakes. While you're shipping, that's a good idea. It's something to kind of pass time. So while you're listing and doing other account maintenance, things of that nature, you probably just want to listen to music or something that isn't going to cause a distraction. And it's definitely something that I need to do a better job of myself. And like I said, I'm always trying to learn stuff on eBay information, and I watch a lot of the same channels that you guys do. Just something to think about. But this is the time of the year where we really need to get our focus together, and you're only going to be more productive by focusing and not worrying so much about being entertained. Because really, if you're at a 9-to-5 job, you more than likely wouldn't be able to watch a YouTube video or try to entertain yourself. This is a job, and you have to look at it that way. So with that being said, I really don't have a whole lot to report. There hasn't been really any eBay flubs or any kind of emails that I've come across. I can tell you that Consult EK Sales, that person who I reported in the last video, who pretty much was begging me for a $10 partial refund, well, he's continually sending me messages, and I went on to eBay and reported him because he just won't stop. And I told him that anything beyond this point will be construed as harassment. And it's been a day and he hasn't sent me anything, so I can only hope that he is gone, and I can only hope that you guys have gone in and totally blocked this person. So how are your sales? Let me know. Have things picked up for you? I know quite a large number of you, even as recent as a few weeks ago, were reporting that your sales are next to nothing. And I'm wondering if, now that we're in November, if you've maybe seen an increase in your sales. Please let me know down below. Have you tried anything new? Have you noticed any changes in your sales by some of the things that you've tried? Again, we're here to help each other out. I'm trying to build up my sales. I'm sure many of you are as well. So any advice or information, things that are working for you, you leave that down below. Well, that's the whole point of this channel, is so that we can learn from each other and see how, I could tell you how I'm doing, but I'd like to hear from you as well, because I think that's important to know. So do me a favor again. I always ask you guys to hit that like button. Please do that. Please subscribe. I don't know why you haven't subscribed to my channel as of yet, if you've watched many of my videos, might as well subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell icon, so that way if I create another video, you are notified and you're on top of it. So I'm going to let you guys have the rest of your day back. I just want you guys to, right now focus on continually listing, get your stuff up, make sales, and knock it out the park. And just remember, flipping ain't easy. See you later, guys.